Hello dear students, once again welcome in the MSBTE's E-Content of Environmental Studies. It is MSBTE Lead Study at your doorstep. I am Swati Ingre, Course Expert, Lecturer, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. In today's video, we are going to discuss the topic Noise Pollution from Unit 4, Environmental Pollution. Course outcome, apply technique to reduce environmental pollution, and unit outcome, state sources and effects of noise pollution with preventive measures for noise pollution. Learning objective. After viewing this video, student will able to understand the causes and effects of noise pollution. From concept map, you will understand the content of today's video. Today, we are going to cover the sources of noise pollution, the effects of noise pollution and prevention or preventive measures of noise pollution. So, let us start. First, we will see what is noise. Noise is unwanted sound considered unpleasant, loud or disruptive to hearing. Normal sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs our normal activities such as working, sleeping and during conversation. World Health Organization states that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Then, what are the different types of noise? The types of noise on the basis of its origin are three: atmospheric noise, industrial noise and man-made noise. Now, we will study what is noise pollution. When there is lot of noise in the environment, then it is termed as noise pollution. It is unwanted or excessive sound that can have deleterious effect on the human health and environmental quality. It is an undesirable process. Sources of noise pollution. What are the different sources? Household or domestic sources, social and cultural events, commercial and industrial activities, transportation, agricultural activities, mining activities, defense activities, natural sources. Let us see one by one. The first type of source of noise pollution is household or domestic sources. Gadgets like food, mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, washing machine and dryer, cooler, air conditioners and other instruments including loudspeakers of sound system and TV, iPod and earphone. It creates lot of noise. The social and cultural events. The places of worship, discos, parties, marriage functions and other social events also creates a lot of noise for the people living in that area. In many market areas, people sell with loudspeakers, others shout out offers and try to get attention of customer. It also causes noise. Then, commercial and industrial activities. The printing press, manufacturing industries, the textile and steel rolling industries, wood cutting mills, construction sites like dam, stone crushing, these all are the commercial or industrial activities responsible for creating noise. Transportation. Aeroplane flying over houses close to the busy airports, overground and underground train, vehicles on the road also creates noise. Then, agricultural activities. The noise created by tractors, threshers, grass cutter, etc. are the sources of noise. The mining activities. Noise created by blasting in mines, metallurgical process, etc. are also the major source of noise pollution. Defense activities. The noise created by tanks, gunfire, airplanes, bombs, army exercise, satellite and missile launching, etc. are also the sources of noise. The natural sources. These are the natural sources. Noise created by the landslide, earthquake, thunder and lightning, storms, etc. are also responsible for the noise pollution. Then, what are the bad effects of the noise pollution? Noise pollution is more than just annoyance. It can also lead to adverse health effect. In fact, studies have shown that noise pollution may lead to temporary or even permanent damage to physiological health and psychological health. Let us see these effects one by one. First, we will see the effect of noise pollution on physiological health. It results into temporary or permanent deafness. The Noise may result into the pain in heart. If there is a continuous exposure of loud noise, then it may result into the loss of memory. It also causes the headache and it results into the rise in the blood pressure. Then, which are the psychological health effects? Fatigue. Continuous exposure will result into fatigue. The emotional disturbance, frustration and depression. These all are the physiological health effects. Now, what are the effects of noise pollution in animals and in plants? Let us see. Noise pollution damages the nervous system of animal. Animal loses the control on its mind. Excessive noise has the ability to raise an animal's heartbeat speed and even harms an animal's metabolism. In plants, noise also have effects on the plant. Noise also has detrimental effects on the growth of some plants. Noise pollution causes poor quality of crop, hence it should be avoided. Then what are the prevention of noise pollution? How we can control it? Do not use car horns unnecessarily in the areas like hospitals, educational campuses. Proper and regular maintenance should be carried out for noise-free better performance of motor, machines and vehicles. At the same time, turn off the engine of your car or motorbike when you are not using it. It stops the annoying hum and reduces the air pollution also. The workers exposed to the loud noise must wear earplugs, ear muffs, noise helmets to prevent the loss of hearing. These all are the protective measures. Then again, don't blast music on the radio or computer or speaker and train your dog not to bark so much. Protective green belt should be developed to separate residential area and industrial area. The areas like hospitals, schools, courts must be declared as a silence zone. Law regarding to the noise pollution must be strictly followed. These all are the preventive measure of the noise pollution. Then let's have a look on the measurement of intensity of noise. The unit of measurement of sound is called as decibel. It is denoted by letter dB, small d, capital B. The range of this scale between 1 decibel and 140 decibel. When it is less than 1 decibel, we cannot hear it, and when it is more than 140 decibel, we cannot stand to it. Not all sound is considered as noise pollution. The World Health Organization (WHO) defines noise above 65 decibels as noise pollution. To be more precise, noise becomes harmful and it is painful above 120 decibel. The whispering sound level is up to 30 decibel. Our normal talk has the sound intensity of about 40 decibel. Shouting may reach the level of noise above 60 decibel. A traffic busy road with high speed vehicles have sound level up to 70 decibel. The industrial unit using big auto machines creates the sound above 90 decibel. The natural sources of noise like thunderstorms with lightning causes the noise level up to 120 decibel. Near the airport, the noise pollution level is above 150 decibel. The rocket engine creates the noise pollution above 190 decibel. These values are very important. Then, the standard limiting noise level at various zones of city. The Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) has laid down the permissible noise level in India for different areas. It is very essential. According to this, the zones are of four types, that is industrial zone, commercial zone, residential zone and silent zone. The permissible noise level standard in the daytime and permissible noise level standard at night time. So, in industrial zone, at daytime the limit is 75 decibel and at night time the limit is 70 decibel. In commercial zone, the limit in daytime is 65 decibel and at night time it is 55 decibel. In residential zone, at daytime the limit of sound is 55 decibel and at night it is 45 decibel. And very important, silent zone, which is actually the hospital, school, court areas. At the daytime the noise level or sound level limit is 50 decibel and at the night time the limit is 40 decibel. These are the standard limiting noise level at various zones of city according to the Central Pollution Control Board, that is CPCB. Now let us see the major key takeaways of today's video. Noise pollution have negative effects on adults, children, animals and even in the plants, hence it should be avoided. Then, what we learned today? We have studied the sources of noise pollution, effects of noise pollution, prevention of noise pollution and standard limiting noise level at various zones of city in India. These all are the references for the today's video. And at last, thank you all. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Happy learning. Now, let's have a quiz.